Hi, nostalgic home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy, hearty Avgolemono soup. This hearty Avgolemono soup is my twist on a traditional Greek favorite, packed with veggies, pasta, and chicken for an extra satisfying meal. The creamy, rich egg-thickened broth has the perfect silky texture, while the sunny lemon keeps the soup bright and fulfilling. Serve this cozy soup with a side of your favorite crusty bread for a nourishing meal that's good to the last drop. Made with just a handful of simple, wholesome ingredients, this hearty Avgolemono soup proves that letting the natural flavors of whole food ingredients is all that's needed for the perfect, flavorful meal, making this the perfect go-to recipe when you need something easy and satisfying. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a hearty Avgolemono soup. In a large pot or Dutch oven, add in 2 pounds of chicken breast along with 3 chopped carrots and 2 ribs of diced celery. Pour 8 cups of chicken stock on top and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. You can also use water for this, but the stock adds a little more flavor to the meal. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer covered for 30 minutes or until the chicken breast is cooked through. Depending on whether you're using fresh or frozen chicken, the amount of time needed to fully cook the chicken breast will be different. Remove the fully cooked chicken and set it aside for about 10 minutes before shredding with 2 forks. Then I'm going to return the chicken back to the pot along with a half a cup of orzo pasta. This pasta resembles little grains of rice, and of course you can switch this out for rice if you'd prefer. And if you're looking for a low-carb option, riced cauliflower is a great choice. Return the pot to the heat and boil for another 9 minutes, or the time according to your pasta directions. This is just to reheat the chicken and cook the orzo. Meanwhile, in a bowl, I'm going to add the juice from 1 lemon and lemon zest. Lemon zest is the very outer layer of the lemon peel. It's packed with flavor and bright fragrance from the concentrated oils in the zest. This adds an intense, bright citrus flavor to the recipe. I'm going to crack in 2 eggs and whisk this with the lemon juice until creamy and frothy. Now that my pasta is cooked and the chicken is warmed through, I'm going to remove the soup from the heat. And now, while constantly whisking, I'm going to temper the egg and lemon mixture by slowly adding about 1 cup of the hot soup broth. Tempering the eggs slowly increases the temperature of the egg mixture before adding it back to the soup. If you add this lemon and egg mixture straight into the pot, it will curdle and you'll end up with chunks of scrambled eggs in your soup. Now that my lemon mixture has heated and tempered, I'm going to, while mixing, slowly pour the tempered mixture into the pot. Mix this fully into the hot soup. It should now appear slightly thickened and creamy. Now all we need to do is season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Right before serving, garnish with a little parsley or fresh dill. And my soup is ready to serve. My favorite side dish to this soup is bread. Whether you want a fast and flaky biscuit or a classic crusty French bread, there's nothing more comforting than dipping thick slices of bread into a hearty bowl of soup. If you're looking for a more unique bread option, you can serve this soup inside of a bread bowl. A simple side salad or even a more appropriate Greek salad is a great choice to serve with this Greek-inspired recipe. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.